In 1380, a schizophrenic man became the King of France during the Hundred Years' War. Charles the Mad became King of France after his father, Charles the Wise, had reduced the English presence in France to only Gascony, Brittany, and Calais. But Charles the Mad, the new king, was only 11 years old. Because he was too young, 3 of his uncles were really in charge of the kingdom as regents. During this time, 2 of them became rivals: John of Berry, who had control of many duchies in the west, and Philip II the Bold, who had control of many duchies in the northeast. Such rivalries were common in medieval times. It was the job of the king to manage those rivalries before a civil war occurred. That was the definition of a good king. But Charles the Mad did not have the right mind for the job. In 1388, Charles, at the age of 18 years old, officially became the ruler of France. But very soon, his mental illness became obvious. The king often did not know who he was, sometimes claiming that he was Saint George, or that he was made of glass, and refusing to leave his bedroom by fear of breaking in little pieces. In 1392, a more dramatic incident occurred when the king, in a delusional state, attacked and killed his own soldiers. Even if we do not know for sure if those allegations are true, we know without doubt that Charles was very mentally ill. Because of his condition, his wife, Isabeau of Bavaria, and John of Berry pushed that the youngest brother of Charles should take over the title of king. But Philip II the Bold decided instead to rule the kingdom as regent. This is when 2 main factions appeared in the kingdom: the Burgundians, who supported Philip II as ruler, and the Armagnac supporters of Louis of Orléans as their ruler. The rivalry continued to be manageable, but in 1404, when Philip II died, his son, John the Fearless, claimed that he should now be the King of France. To ease the transition, he decided to assassinate Louis of Orléans and claim the throne. But instead, a civil war occurred. Charles the Mad died in 1422 as king with no responsibility, and his kingdom was burning. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.